Ahaan Panday and Aneet Padda are the newest name everyone is talking about, and for all very good reasons. The fresh pair who took Bollywood by surprise with Saiyaara have delivered one of the biggest blockbuster of 2025, earning over 500 crore worldwide. But while audience can't stop gushing over their sizzling on-screen romance, the two actors are now revealing a sweet truth. Their chemistry wasn't planned, rehearsed or forced. It was simply real. Ahead of Saiyaara's world television premiere, Ahaan and Aneet opened up about what made their love story click so effortlessly on screen. And surprisingly, there were no special workshops or chemistry tricks involved. According to Ahaan, it all came down to one thing: friendship. He shared that when two people genuinely become close friends, the chemistry just flows naturally. There's no need to overthink scene or plan emotions. Whatever happens on screen happens honestly, and that's exactly what audience felt while watching Saiyaara. Aneet completely agreed. She revealed that from the very first meeting she felt instantly comfortable with Ahaan. There was something warm and easy about him that made her feel safe and relaxed. Something very important, especially for someone stepping into a big film. The first meeting itself felt straight out of a movie. Aneet admitted she was extremely nervous when she first met director Mohit Suri along with Ahaan. She was fumbling, cracking awkward jokes and clearly overthinking the moment. But Ahaan made it easy. He laughed, stayed calm, played his guitar and just kept the vibe light. The first interaction turned into hours of conversation. Ahaan even dropped Aneet home and the two chatted endlessly on the way. By the end of it, Aneet knew she was working with someone who has great energy and even better heart. Before shooting even began, the two spent a lot of time together, just hanging out, talking, getting to know each other. They shared their fear, doubt and insecurity, especially since both were stepping into high-pressure romantic drama. That bond slowly became their comfort zone on set. Because of that friendship, intense scenes didn't feel awkward. Emotional moments felt safe. Romantic scenes felt honest. And that's exactly what audience connected with. Saiyaara didn't just become a box office monster. It became a fan favorite. Clips of Ahaan and Aneet flooded social media. Fan edits, reels and montages went viral. Viewers couldn't stop talking about the stolen glances, the emotional silence and the effortless love that felt very real. Many even said that the film stood out because it didn't feel like a typical Bollywood romance. It felt raw, natural and heartfelt. Off-screen too, Ahaan and Aneet's bond were impossible to miss. During promotions, they teased each other, laughed together and shared inside jokes, sparking dating rumor that they both brushes off with smiles. They made it clear that what they share is deep friendship built on trust. Aneet said that becoming such close friends created a protected space on set. They knew they had each other's back, which made it easier to perform vulnerable scenes without fear of pressure. With Saiyaara now streaming on various OTT platforms and ready to shine on television, fans are calling Ahaan and Aneet Bollywood's next big on-screen pair. And the reason is simple. Their chemistry doesn't look acted, it looks lived in. As both prepares for their next projects, Ahaan moving towards action films and Aneet exploring romantic drama, one thing is certain. Saiyaara set the bar very high. In a film industry where chemistry is often manufactured, Ahaan Panday and Aneet Padda has proved that real friendship can create the strongest romance on screen. And now, the big question fans are asking: will we see the magical pair together again? Because if friendship can create a 500 crore love story once, imagine what it can do twice. I am Nikita Rawat and you're watching Times Entertainment.